Hi viewers. Welcome to Rebar Plus. In this video, we are gonna to see how to place bar reference and its settings. I'm clicking bar reference button. I'm picking the call off to place bar reference. I'm picking the point and rotation to place bar reference. In this bar reference format, quantity, bar size, bar mark, and notes are displayed. Now, I'm gonna to change bar reference format in settings option. I'm clicking settings button. I'm picking call off tab. In this tab, you can see call off format, label, or bar reference format. I'm selecting bar reference format and saving the setting. Now, I'm placing bar reference again. Here you can see bar size, bar mark, spacing and notes are displayed. I'm gonna to try another bar reference format, clicking settings and changing the bar reference format. Now, I'm placing bar reference again. This format has @ symbol before spacing. I'm gonna to try one more bar reference format, clicking settings and changing the bar reference format. Now, I'm placing bar reference again. This format has only bar mark. I'm gonna to edit bar and see how the bar reference format is changing. I'm double clicking the call off. I'm changing B leg value to 2000 and bar size to T16. I'm clicking update button. Now, see the bar references. The bar mark and bar size are changed in all the formats. This option is very much useful when we work for different clients. We are providing Rebar Plus license in affordable cost. Please contact sales@rebarplus.com. Thank you for watching.